Assalamu alaikum students. This is our book Science Fact File 1 which we will study in class 6. The first chapter that we will start today is science skills. The first topic of our first chapter is science. What is science? Science is a way of learning about the natural world. Word science is derived from Latin word which means knowledge. In science, observations lead to questions about the natural world. These questions need to be answered with evidence that can be measured or observed. Students, if you observe, science is always changing with new observations, tests, equipments and discoveries that lead to new theories and revising old ones. Science helps us solve problems and train our minds to how to solve different problems. Now, the science is split into three main areas of study, and which are these? These are biology, chemistry and physics. First, we will study about biology. Biology is the study of the world around us. In biology, we study about living things and about their association with other living things and other non-living things. Biology is also differentiated in further branches, and we learn about new techniques which are using for welfare of mankind, like fermentation process, DNA fingerprinting, even about the bacteria which lives in between our teeth. What is DNA fingerprinting? Today, we can easily recognize the thieves, criminals with the help of DNA fingerprinting. Now next, move on to second branch, chemistry. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter and its properties, the changes that matter undergoes and the energy associated with those changes. In chemistry, we study about elements of periodic table which are present throughout the world. We study or test pH of different solution or different fabric during testing before proving. And also, the manufacturing of medicine is also taking place under the chemical companies. Pharmaceutical companies and petrochemical industry also based on applications of chemistry. And also, textile industry is also associated with chemistry in matter of testing the fabric quality and the pH of fabric. What is physics? Physics is the branch of science that involves the study of the physical world, energy, matter and how they are related to each other. The word physics derived from Greek word which means nature. In physics, we study about motion, energy, friction, electricity, light and many more. And modern technologies such as electronics and information technology are also based on application of physics, and the motor vehicles and the car industry, that these are also associated with physics because कैसे कि उसके जो बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं कार के, व्हीकल्स वगैरह के, तो उनके बारे में जो किस तरह उनको अरेंजमेंट किया जाता है, किस तरह से उनकी एप्लीकेशन की जाती है, वो सारी चीज़ें जो है वो रिलेटेड करती हैं फिज़िक्स से. ठीक है. फ्रिक्शन, हमारी गाड़ियाँ रोड पे चलती हैं. ठीक है. पहाड़ से कोई चीज़ का गिरना, उसमें फिज़िक्स है. इवन हर चीज़ में कहीं ना कहीं फिज़िक्स जो है रिलेट कर रही है. नेक्स्ट, साइंस ने जो है बहुत सारी डिस्कवरीज की हैं, और इन सब को स्टार्ट करने के लिए क्या होता है, स्टार्ट में जो मेन पॉइंट होता है कि रिकॉग्नाइज करना, इन्वेस्टिगेट करना कि प्रॉब्लम है क्या. अब डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को यूज़ किया जाता है अपना आंसर या रिज़ल्ट ऑब्टेन करने के लिए। और उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होता है, उसके लिए हमें लेबॉरेटरी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है टू परफॉर्म डिफरेंट एक्सपेरिमेंट्स।